Stan was always getting up to no good. He also had very special secret. He created an amazing machine that could suck up anything that was happy or fun. He proud named his grumos the moon Hoover, and Stan was itching to try it out. His sister's bedroom was the perfect place to test out his invention. Within seconds, the little machine began glubbing up all the girliness. Stan was very impressed with its power. Outside, a Cooper were admiring a huge, colorful rainbow up in the sky. Stan was no time and got straight to work, still snickering to himself. Stan made a quick escape at the zoo. Nasty Stan sneaked his Hoover past the man in the ticket booth. Inside there was so much color, happiness, and fun. Too close from Stan was spun for choice. Then he spotted the perfect target. This will be simple, thought Stan, as he flicked the switch to on. His machine emerged, came to life, and guzzled up a little boy ice cream, and all the zebra slept. This is so much fun, laughed Stan, as he came across another opportunity. Stan Hoover sucked up all the happy, bright color in no time. Down the street, Stan could hear music coming from the concert hall. It instantly kicked into action, and suddenly all the music was sucked into the hole. Sneaking through the back door, he placed his device behind the large state captain. On the bus stand noticed a girl wearing bright red boots. With her gum, she blew a huge pink bubble, much to the horror of the other passenger. This made Stan giggle out loud. They both got off at the stop by the park, and the girl bought some colorful lollipops. Stan was really lashing to cause more mayhem. Suck they look for too happy, said Stan, as he tried to start up his machine, but nothing happened. It must be close up, he thought, as he kicked it in fashion. In the park, Stan noticed the girl hammering the flower, and suddenly they were surrounded by lots of beautiful fluttering birds. Suck, I hate butterfly, said Stan. Well, with the machine, but nothing happened. Don't look so sad. This will cheer you up, said the girl in the red. But again, nothing happened. Instantly, Stan and the girl were covered in a huge glittering shower of all the beautiful things that the whole and global up. Wow, amazing, thought Stan as they walked toward the park. The beautiful flower. And Stan, he forgot all about his moon hover. Suddenly, there was a lot of flashing light, strange noises, and smoke as the machine shook out of control, followed by the gigantic